Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use a Coolpix L19 and all of its features and frequent problems. Okay, the first thing we're going to learn is something called Easy Auto Mode. To select it, you must first turn on the camera. Now, see the button that has a picture of a camera, a movie, and a word that says scene? Well, you're going to press that button, okay? And see how it has these things on the side. Over here, well, you're going to select the top one. Select with the arrows, press OK. When you're on Easy Auto Mode, it can recognize faces. For example, see if it can recognize mine. See it bordering my face? That is face recognition. Also, if there's a lot of light, it'll turn to light mode. And if you take it outside, it'll turn to landscape mode. But now, it's just regular picture mode. And that's all for Easy Auto Mode. Thank you. Okay, the second thing I'm going to teach you about is something called scene. So press the same button you pressed before, and this time you are going to go down one, and you're going to pick portrait. Okay, with portrait, it does face recognition again. See? Okay. The other thing it also does, it takes nice pictures of portraits of people. So let's see. See how it's very bright? So what you're going to do is press the plus and minus button. Oh. And then you're going to go minus more. I'm going to go at like 1. Let's see if that helped. That helped a lot. Now, let's look at the picture. That's the picture.
Opening chest.
Now, the next thing we're going to do is something called, see now, we're going to go to landscape, but we're not going to click on it. Landscape takes pictures of landscapes, especially meant for that. The next one is sports. So if you want to take a quick photo of somebody moving fast, playing a sport. There's also night portrait. So it doesn't make a huge flash, and it's so like it's for the city and stuff, for like night and stuff. There's party indoor, because sometimes the lighting can be bad inside. The next one is called beach snow, for the beach and the snow. The next one is called sunset, for sunsets, especially meant for sunset. Next one's called dusk and dawn. So if it's like at dusk or dawn. Next one's called night landscape. Same as landscape except for at night. Next one's close up. Excellent for taking pictures of things close up like flowers. There's food. Food may be hard to take photos of. There's museum, no flash, and for museums. Now there's fireworks, helps you take good photos of fireworks. Copy, makes you take good photos that are like copies. Backlight, Helps you take good photos if there's lots of backlight. And last one is panorama assist. I'm going to show you that. So first of all, I'm going to take a picture of this side of the room. There's the picture. And on the side here, it shows half of the picture that I took, so I can line it up with the next one. And then it keeps doing that for a long time. Okay, welcome. We are going to learn about something called Smile. So when you're on this menu, select the third option called Smile. Got that? This is for taking pictures of people. I'm going to take a picture of myself. Let's see. Way too bright. So what you do is you go to the side, you press plus and minus that button. You're gonna go down some. Okay, I'm gonna go like that. So and then there's the photo. Smile is just like portrait, except it's like for people smiling. And one thing cool about Smile is it tells you if someone blinked during the photo. So it'll go. Here, I'll show you. See, I will close my eyes. But first, you gotta wait for it to locate the face. Too bright still. There we go. Did someone blink? That's what's cool about it, hey? So, okay, so this one is my favorite. It's called Movie. So we're going to go down to Movie. Movie's cool because it not only records sound and moving pictures, but it also is very smart, just like all the other ones. So I'm going to take a little video about my front yard. This is my front yard with all our flowers. And we're getting it ready. Right now, I'm going to show you our tree. That is called Zoom right there. And now let's see what the focus is, how good it is. So they're pretty flowers. Yes. Nice garden. Oh, let me smell that flower. And here's what people look like. So that is how you make a movie on your Coolpix L19. To start, you just press the button to take a picture, and to stop, you press the same button. And that's how to make it. So the last thing I'm going to teach you is the last one called auto mode. It takes flashes or non-flashes when you want it, when there's lots of light, but if there's no light, then it'll take a flash. And the most frequently asked question is, if it says battery exhausted, that means you've got to give the battery a break. Like, change the batteries or just not use the camera